Welcome to Swedboard Studio. Swedboard produce today 3 different types of material for the global large format printing industry. And that's the SB Fibre, the rigid paperboard, the 1mm thick material SB Solid Premium, and the very lightweight but still very stiff material, the composite that we call SB Composite Premium, that we produce it from 5mm up to 40mm, both indoor and outdoor use. But the very nice thing is that the core contains 97% air and 3% polystyrene. So it contains mostly paper fiber, but still works both indoor and outdoor. Perfect for many applications. But today we're going to focus on the SB Fibre, and that's a family that will grow in the future. But today we produce them in 10mm thickness and 16mm thickness. And the family is the SB Fibre Premium, that has a brown core with a white premium liner on. We have the SB Fibre brown core, brown liner. And as the name say, the SB Fibre white core has a white core and a white premium liner. We can produce so big amount of volumes in our world unique process machine, and the nice thing with that is that we also have so small amount of waste when produce our board. That's why we use 5 different widths, and that's 1.22, 1.6, 203, 2.4, and 2.5 millimeters width. So we can produce them up to 2.5 meters width, and the length of the board can be up to 4.2 meter in one sheet. But we of course have the normal size that the market are used to, like 1.6, 2.4, 1.6, 3.2, 203, 305, and so on. But we can produce them up to 2.5 meters width. And also another nice thing is that we use so small amount of water-based glue when we produce the SB Fibre. So both the productivity in the machine, small amount of waste, and small amount of water-based glue is perfect both for us as a producer, for you as a customer, but also for our environment. And regarding the environment, so the SB Fibre is 100% recyclable, and all our material has FSC certification. So we are we have high focus on the environment, but also that we would like to control where we take the raw material from. So all our raw material of the paper-based materials are FSC certified. 100% recyclable, FSC certified, but 2.5 meters width, that you can make bigger construction in one sheet, or you can use your wider printing machines to use wider sheets and get more productivity in your process. But another very nice thing also that the core is totally dust-free. So when you cut this, if you stand as an operator at the cutting table, you don't get any dust when you cut this in your production. So it's totally dust-free, but also very good for the customers that get your products, that it's not coming out any dust from the core. And also with the premium liner, a very big benefit, it doesn't crack in any direction when you bend it. You can bend it in each direction, it doesn't crack. So it's only to print, cut, and deliver. So, and you don't have to wonder what direction you should make the cut and so on, because it doesn't crack in any direction. So it's only to print, cut, and deliver. And another very nice thing is that we have a sealing on the surface. It makes it waterproof on the top, but also it resists both cold and hot. So you can have hot coffee on it, or you can serve beer on a table on the fair. It's only to wipe it off. And the very good thing that our customers say to us, that before maybe they print, they cut, and they laminate, but now you don't have to laminate or varnish. You only have to print, cut, and deliver. The surface is protected with this sealing we have on the thin sealing we have on the top, and it gives also a very nice impression of the print, but also this protection. So that's a very positive thing with our boards. And Swedboard also work a lot with accessories, and we will continue to develop this a lot in the future. We are coming with a couple of new things very soon, but we take this in a separate program on the Swedboard Studio next time. But Swedboard's main focus is to be a global supplier of innovative and environmental friendly materials to the global large format printing industry, but also to other type of industry around the world. And but we will also contribute with a lot of knowledge, inspiration, and future development. So we, together with our customers, other stakeholders like printing manufacturers or cutting tables manufacturers or other stakeholders have big interest in this market, we're going to work together in our Swedboard network to develop the market and also help our customers. So sometimes it could be small tips and tricks, but it could also be some revolutionary solutions that maybe open up windows for new markets to our customers. But yeah, main focus is to be a global supplier of innovative and environmental friendly materials. And as I said, print, cut, and deliver. Doesn't crack in any direction. The sealing, you don't have to laminate or varnish. Only wipe it off. Reuse it many times because the material can handle this quite rough handling. Pack it down once again, use it next time. And when you see that it's time to throw it away, it's 100% recyclable. Thanks for today. See you next time.